The street portrait is a gift. The street portrait is a gift. To meet someone for the very first time. A stranger, a new friend. I'm a street photographer with no destination. I look for events or people that speak to me. Not with their words, but with their gestures. I feel compelled to approach a stranger sometimes and ask their name. A smile makes all the difference. Because each of us wants to be acknowledged, just to be spoken to. When I tell someone that I've noticed them and want to make a picture together, it begins the rapport. A moment of connectivity. It lasts a short while, but we unite. We use photography to solidify that connection with a picture. Each of you have felt this, and it just feels right. To connect with another human being in this way. The street portrait is a gift.